Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, last academic year became the victim of COVID-19 pandemic, by which the schools remained shut and you are digitally connected to your teachers, not physically. Now you have finished your exams some 20 days ago. Better is to attend some coaching centers for physical mode of teaching so that you can facilitate yourself to the greater extent. Dear students, a new strain of COVID-19 has been detected in UK and it has reached to India. Some 20 patients were tested positive of this strain. Better is to follow all SOPs while attending coaching centers. Dear students, life is a precious gift of God. You must save your lives first and then should give preference to the rest of the things that belong to life. Dear students, the most important thing is the self-study and hard work, and self-study and hard work can take one's boat to the bank. Dear students, it is proven fact that hard work can cross every barrier. And dear students, today we are dealing with a very important tense, that is the present continuous tense and its change of voice. First of all, you need to know what is the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a tense in which the actions are said that are going at the moment. For example, he is playing cricket, I am teaching English, she is teaching mathematics. These actions are going at the moment, so the present continuous tense actions are set in present continuous tense that are going at the moment, and it's always a non-permanent action. It's never a permanent action. For example, if you live in Kokrosa or in Srinagar, you can say I live in Srinagar, I live in Kokrosa. But if you migrate to Jammu for some months to avoid the chilly winter, you can say there that I am living in Jammu because it's a non-permanent action. So simply you have to keep in the mind that present continuous tense is a tense in which you find am, is, or pulsing form of the verb. So simply you have to keep in the mind it is am, is, and or pulsing form of the verb. Am is used with I, or is used with plurals including you, and is used with the singulars, particularly third person singular. So take some examples. He is playing cricket, she is playing cricket, they are playing cricket, you are playing cricket, I am playing cricket. These are the examples of the present continuous tense, or it's called present progressive tense. Dear students, you have to keep in the mind that present progressive tense or present continuous tense is a tense in which those actions are said which are non-permanent actions. For example, I am living in Jammu, this is a non-permanent action, where I live in Jammu is a permanent action. I live at Kokrusa is a permanent action. I am living at Kokrusa is a non-permanent action. And you have to keep one thing more in the mind, that the actions that are set in the present continuous are going at the moment. She is writing a book, he is writing a book, he is playing football, they are playing football, I am playing football. These are the examples of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. So simply you have to keep in the mind. Important thing is that in present continuous or present progressive tense, those actions are said that are going at the moment, and these actions are non-permanent actions. They vanish after some time, and you can't say that I live in Kokrusa. If you are the permanent resident of the Kokrusa, can say you can say I live in Kokrusa, not I am living in Kokrusa, because in present continuous always non-permanent actions are said, permanent actions are set in present simple. So simply you have to keep in the mind he is playing cricket, they are playing cricket, you are playing cricket, or the examples of present continuous tense. Dear students, how you can make now change of voice for the present continuous tense. The change of voice means when we change active sentence into passive sentence. Active sentence is that sentence that is dominated by the subject of the verb. That is dominated or governed by the subject of the verb. Simply you have to keep in the mind that subject is the action doer and object is the action receiver. And you have to differentiate what is the object and what is the predicate. Predicate is the part of the sentence that tells something about the sentence and contain a verb, and object just receives action. So he is playing cricket. He is the subject, playing is the verb, and cricket is the object. When we are changing into passive, so cricket is being played by him. Here being is used to show the continuity. Dear students, once again I am repeating the things. Present continuous tense or present progressive tense is a tense in which those actions are said which are of non-permanent nature and which are going at the moment. For example, if you are living in Kokrosa, you must say I live in Kokrosa, not you can't say I am living in Kokrosa because it is a non-permanent action. If you speak English permanently, you can't say I am speaking English. If you speak permanently, you can call or you can say that I speak English because I speak English is a permanent action and I am speaking action. English is a non-permanent action. So simply you have to keep in the mind that present progressive tense is a tense in which those actions are said that are going at the moment and that are of non-permanent nature. So he is playing cricket, you are playing cricket, they are playing chess, we are playing chess, I am playing chess are the examples of present continuous tense. But what is the change of voice? Change of voice means to change active sentence into passive sentence. Active sentence is that sentence which is governed by the subject of the verb and we can say which is dominated by the subject of the verb. And passive sentence is a sentence where the subject of the verb is acted upon. And there are two different things which you have to recognize when you change active sentence into passive sentence. They are the subject, object, and the verb. Tense is already there. Subject is action doer. This object is action receiver, and predicate differs from it. Predicate is a part of a sentence that contains verb and tell us something about the subject. So take an example, he is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. Here he is subject, playing is verb, cricket's object. Now it is passive. Cricket is being played by him. He gets changed to the him. Remember, in passive voice, always the third form of the verb is used. Dear students, this is all about the change of voice for the present continuous tense or present progressive tense. So simply first of all you have to recognize the tense in you have to recognize a sentence in which the tense is written, then subject and object, and then when you change active sentence into passive sentence, you have to first recognize the subject and then the object, because in a passive voice the subject of the verb is acted upon, and passive voice is never a normal voice. Here the voice gets only changed but never the meaning of the sentence. But you have to keep in the mind that in the passive voice always the third form of the verb is used. Now it's Urdu. Dear students, अरे बच्चों के प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस गो सु टेंस, ये कश्मीरी में बता रहा हूँ मैं. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस गो सु टेंस यथ मज वर्बच इंग फॉर्म इस्तेमाल गसान बे एम इस्तेमाल, आर इस्तेमाल, इज इस्तेमाल, मगर आर कत आज प्लूरल इज गसान सिंगुलर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर तो आर प्लूरल मगर कत प्लूरल इस्तेमाल यह यूज बे बकियन प्लूरल मगर नॉन परमानेंट एक्शन अत मज तम एक्शन वन यम एट द मोमेंट यानी एक्शन वकीनस फॉर एग्जाम्पल वकीनस बह अंग्रेजी पर्नावान एक्शन वन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस परमानेंट टेन अत मज परमानेंट कम वन कह. अगर तुम कुकरूस रोजान तुम हेक्यू वन परमानेंट पे कि आई लिव इन कोकरोसा. तुम हेक्यू यह वन कि आई एम लिविंग इन कोकरोसा बिकॉज यह नॉन परमानेंट एक्शन. इस गए पैसिव चैम बनावन. पैसिव मज हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब गसान इस्तेमाल, मगर थवन याद एक्टिव सेंटेंस गो सु सेंटेंस यस पे सब्जेक्ट हुकूमत करान, सब्जेक्ट गवर्न करान. सब्जेक्ट मतलब गो एक्शन डूअर तो ऑब्जेक्ट गो एक्शन रिसीवर, मगर प्रेडिकेट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस यथ मज वर्ब बे क्या सब्जेक्ट्स मुतलिक वन. लिहाजा नीव अख मिसाल तो राम इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. अगर अमुक कर पैसिव, ए क्रिकेट इज being played by Ram. Dear students, this is all about the present continuous tense and its change of voice. It is English. The two languages are used in this class, that is the Kashmiri and English. Dear students, better is to see these things on your available grammar book so that you can learn the concept well. Dear students, when you attend coaching centers, you should follow all SOPs so that you can save your lives first, because life is a precious gift of God. You need to save it, and you should give preference to the lives and then the rest of the things that are associated with life. Thanks. Be blessed.